Hi everybody, it's me Laurie from Laurie and Gary Cruise, and I know you guys all want Gary. Yes, he is the talent, he is the looks, but unfortunately I'm out on Long Island cat sitting for my parents. We live in New York City, my parents live on Long Island. I go out, help them out a lot, and that's where I am now, but I wanted to make sure I got a video up for you guys. So if you look at our channel, it says we've been around for about 8 years, but we've only been taking YouTube seriously for about 2 years. Up until then, we cruised occasionally. I posted videos basically just for us, and after the pandemic, I knew that I wanted to cruise more often, and I thought, let's really record our cruises and put the information out there so that other people can decide for themselves if they want to go on that cruise or not. Now, unlike a lot of other big cruise influencers, we don't go on like a cruise a month. Right now, we've been doing about 4 a year, which is great. That's a lot. That's so much. But we have to post regularly if we want our channel to grow. As of right now, which is August 2025, we only have a little over 2,000 followers, hopefully 2,100 at least by the time you guys are watching this, which essentially means we've been growing at 1,000 subscribers a year, which is incredible. We love you guys. We love engaging with you guys. We feel like we have some of the best subscribers. But of course, we want to grow faster so we make more money so we can go on more cruises and make more actual cruise content. When deciding on what to talk about in between our cruises, sometimes I have great personal ideas, but sometimes I have to turn to ChatGPT or Gemini for a few suggestions. And today we are going to go over some of the ludicrous suggestions that AI comes up with that are supposed to help us go viral and talk about them. Come and cruise with us, come and cruise with us, come and cruise with us, and you won't regret it. All right, you guys, I have my phone with me. I have Gemini open, and let me tell you what I asked Gemini. So this is the prompt I gave to Gemini. We need at least 10 different YouTube video ideas for our cruise ship travel channel that will ensure that we go viral. So some of the ideas are, like we could do them. Some of them are a little unhinged. So let's get into it. So number 1, hidden gems, ship tour, exploring restricted areas and crew-only spaces. Now, okay, would this probably help us go viral? Yeah, but hello, Gemini, which is Google's AI, which is directly connected to YouTube. We can't just go into restricted areas. Well, actually, we do have a video where Gary did go into a restricted area on Celebrity Infinity. Scroll back to watch. That video actually didn't do well at all. But this is not just a video that we can randomly whip out and do. So I'm sorry, that's off the table. Number 2, ultimate cruise ship food challenge, eating every single dish on board in 24 hours or a week. All right, if we were on an actual cruise, well, first of all, in 24 hours, that would physically be impossible, Gemini. Like, especially on board the Royal Caribbean mega ships, like the specialty dining isn't even open between those hours. Maybe we could do it in a week. I don't know. I feel like we do. When we do our cruise ship vlogs, we document all the different restaurants we go to, so you kind of get a taste of that. But this video is essentially impossible to make. Why is AI assuming that we're on a ship to do this? We need stuff that we can do from home. But anyway, eat all the food on Star of the Seas in 24 hours. Yeah, I don't think so. Number 3 is actually okay, and I'm not going to say it in case we decide to do a video on that. Number 4 is hilarious passenger cruise ship fails. I mean, I guess we could like do a search and go through YouTube and find cruise passenger fails and do a compilation of them. But is that even legal to take other people's YouTube footage and put it into our own YouTube channel? Let us know in the comments below, because I think that's illegal. Usually when I'm editing our videos and I need other footage, I use Canva, which I pay for, where they have a lot of public domain footage. Or if I'm talking about a specific news article or a specific thing on YouTube, I'll do a screenshot. But it feels fishy to be grabbing different footage from different people that's up on YouTube. But I don't know, maybe that's totally allowed. Okay, number 5. And once again, this is something that I feel like we do when we're on an actual cruise. Maybe we don't package it this way, but it is Cruise Ship Activities Challenge, trying everything from skydiving to go-karts. We've tried all of that stuff when we've sailed Royal for the skydiving or Norwegian for the go-karts, which we didn't end up trying because I had a meltdown. And we do have a video entitled Meltdown on the Speedway. So that didn't go viral either. So I don't know about that suggestion. And also, while cruise ships do have activities you can try, I don't feel like any individual cruise ship has so many like sport activities that you could make it into one long video going through each one. So I don't know. The next one is solo cruise adventure. Is it worth it? Well, if I was traveling solo on a cruise, that would be a good idea, I guess. Obviously, from the comfort of our own home, having never solo cruised before, either of us. Although Gary did have his own room when he used to work for Norwegian Cruise Lines, which we've talked about, which didn't do well. Next up is budget versus luxury cruise, side-by-side comparisons. Now, we've never been on a luxury cruise before. We have done the suites on Norwegian and MSC Yacht Club, and we've made videos about them. We've discussed them to death. I guess we could do a comparison video. We'd probably have to sail in the Haven again, though. I don't really have great footage from it because the first time we traveled in the Haven was before I took the channel seriously. But also, I think the Haven has changed a lot since we last sailed in it. We keep bidding on it. I refuse to pay full price for that Haven. It is too much money. But we keep placing good, solid bids every time we cruise Norwegian. We just haven't won since 2019 when we did cruise the Haven, which was amazing. And I think if you can afford to do it, that would be a great idea for a video. But again, that's really challenging. Next up is day in the life of a cruise ship crew member. I mean, Gary's talked about his experience as a crew member. I have a few friends that did contracts as entertainers, but they're not out anymore or currently, unless you have access to a crew member that you are good friends with. And even if you have access to them, there might be a lot that they are not permitted to talk about. So while that might be a good idea, it's very limited. Transforming my cruise cabin, makeovers, and hacks. Again, you have to be out on a cruise to do that. That's not really our jam, but okay. I'm going to give Gemini that one. Okay. And we have viral cruise ship dance challenge lip sync battle. What? Like, there has to be one of those on a ship in order to film a video about that. I don't get it. So those were the 10 video ideas, minus the ones I didn't talk about that Gemini gave me. But then below that, it also gave me suggestions of where we should cruise and what cruises get the most views. So let's check out this list because I don't know, maybe our next cruise can go there, or maybe we've been to some of these places. So the first suggestion is an Alaska cruise. So we just did an Alaska cruise. Those videos didn't do that well. I think Alaska is getting pretty oversaturated, and unless you're one of the big influencers, you know, it's the videos are a hit and miss. Caribbean island hopper. I mean, everyone posts Caribbean island hopper cruises, and I think it all depends on what ship you're on. We've had Caribbean cruise videos do really well, and we've had some not do well at all, like barely hit 1,000 views. So that's really not the best suggestion. Mediterranean. Yes, our Celebrity Infinity Mediterranean cruise videos did really well. If we could afford it, we'd go to the Mediterranean 2 or 3 times a year. That's not where we're at financially right now. Again, if you hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on, that would super help us. It will push our videos in the algorithm, help us make more money so we can go on these Mediterranean cruises. Next, a Norwegian fjords cruise. Maybe at some point. I feel like we just did Alaska. It's a similar vibe. I know a Norwegian fjord cruise would be amazing, but you know, we want to space out our icebergs and our fjords and all of that stuff. River cruise. Of course. Actually, one of our current dream cruises is with Viking. They have a D-Day river cruise that starts in England and goes into France. And it's $10,000 a person. It starts at $10,000 a person. So next time we have $20,000 on hand, we will definitely do that in hopes to go viral. But for now, that's not in the near future. Galapagos Islands Expedition Cruise. You know, Gary loves wildlife. We'd love to go to the Galapagos Islands at some point. There's some other more mainstream, more affordable places that we'd rather visit first. Panama Canal cruise, done, did it. Our videos did okay. Again, I think that's getting oversaturated, so I don't know about virality for that one. Bermuda cruise, we go to Bermuda all the time. Actually, our Bermuda cruise videos probably do the worst of all the videos we post. So I think that's all dependent on the ship. And of course, Gemini is mentioning an Antarctic cruise. And you know, we would love to go on one, but it's not like our dream of dreams. Like I would rather go to Japan first, which oddly enough was not mentioned in the little list. And another thing is with Gary's knee issues, it would be hard for him to get around in the snow and stuff like that, even though we both love wildlife. And I personally hate the cold. Like, I would do it, but naturally a cold weather cruise is not my very first choice. So anyway, there's more awful suggestions on ChatGPT. And I have to tell you guys, even though most of our cruise videos are from here, from within, the few that we have posted using AI suggestions have actually not done well at all. And I personally believe that that is because you guys, the people, can sense, have spidey sense if something is coming from the heart or not. So I don't know. But anyway, is there a video you guys would like to see from us that we can actually do from home that doesn't involve us cruising? We do have a bunch of cruises coming up, and of course we are going to vlog those, talk all about them. But in the meantime, we want to bring you what you want. So definitely let us know in the comments below. So again, if you got any value, even if it was just being entertained for a little bit from this video, hit that subscribe button. We would super, super appreciate it. And until the next time, I speak for Gary as well. Me and Gary want you to live your best cruise life. Bye-bye.